Today, let's talk about a serious issue: stubble burning in our fields. Meet Balwinder Paji from Punjab. He's just harvested his paddy crop, but now his field is covered in leftover stalks. With little time before wheat sowing, he does what millions do: sets the field on fire. In minutes, smoke covers the land. He feels helpless, but it's the fastest, cheapest way. This isn't just Balwinder's story. It's the reality for farmers across Punjab, Haryana, and Uttar Pradesh. Burning seems like the only option when labor is scarce and expensive. But when thousands burn fields at once, a massive cloud of smoke travels to cities like Delhi, covering the region in haze. People blame farmers, but forget their struggle, caught between harvest and sowing with few choices. Our farmers feed us, yet are forced into practices that harm the environment. Instead of blaming, let's understand their situation and look for solutions. There is hope, and we'll talk about it. Why do farmers burn fields? The answer is simple: time and money. There's barely 2 weeks between harvesting rice and sowing wheat. Burning is the fastest way to clear fields. Manual clearing is costly, and labor is hard to find. Machines like the Happy Seeder exist, but they're expensive and not easily available to all. Government subsidies help, but access is limited. Many farmers aren't aware of alternatives. Burning is a habit passed down for generations. Changing this mindset takes time, awareness, and support. We need to show farmers better options. Burning stubble creates a toxic cloud, polluting our air with harmful gases and PM2.5 particles. These tiny particles enter our lungs, causing coughing, breathing problems, and serious health risks, especially for children and the elderly. The damage goes beyond air. Fires destroy soil life, earthworms and microbes that keep soil fertile. Over time, soil loses nutrients, forcing farmers to use more chemical fertilizers, harming both land and environment. Burning also releases greenhouse gases, fueling climate change. Smog disrupts daily life, delaying flights, closing schools, and costing the economy crores in healthcare and lost productivity. The money saved by burning is lost many times over in damage and health costs. We're burning a resource that could be valuable. It's a cycle of loss we must break. The solution? Use stubble wisely, not burn it. Let's see how. Stubble isn't waste. It's a resource. Machines like the Happy Seeder let farmers sow wheat without removing stubble, turning it into mulch that enriches the soil. Stubble can be collected and used to generate electricity or biogas, providing clean energy and extra income for farmers. It can be processed into animal fodder, solving feed shortages. Composting stubble creates natural manure, improving soil health and reducing chemical use. Scientists are even making paper and packaging from stubble. Government subsidies and collection centers are helping, but more support is needed. With the right knowledge and tools, farmers can turn a problem into profit. Stubble can power homes, feed animals, and enrich fields. The future is bright if we use stubble smartly. The solution needs teamwork. Farmers, government, industry, and all of us. Government must ensure subsidies and machines reach small farmers and make renting equipment easy. Education is key, showing farmers the benefits of alternatives in their language with real success stories. Companies can build supply chains to collect and process stubble, creating jobs and new markets. Public-private partnerships can speed up change, turning waste into wealth. Let's see stubble as gold, not smoke. By working together, we can clean our air, enrich our soil, and boost farmers' incomes. Every step counts. Let's make our fields green and our skies blue.